if you look closely here, this is the antenna for the GPS module. This is a reset button. These are light emitting diodes. This is to indicate power. The other one is, comes on only when the system is accessing the GPS module. If I open the system hub, might be having a bit. Okay, open the system hub. In here is the battery, is the power switch. This is the SIM module. This is an inductor. If I write code just to help us filter the line. This is a relay. In here is the microcontroller itself, and here is the GPS module. This GPS module, and this is the box. So this is the PCB box. So let's put the system to test and see how it works. If you look closely, you can see GPS is already on. It's indicating that it's on. This LED indicates that the power is on, that the power switch is on, and the system is on. This only comes on when the system is to query the GPS module. The SIM module is also blinking. It's on. It has a SIM card in it, and so let's see how this works. So to operate the system, what I basically need to do is to send a query, or just send a text message. A text message is to come in the format. Give it to me again. It should come in the format GPS underscore link. So this is the code. All I need to do is to send this, and then this will be sent to the phone number in the device. Now when the message is received, okay, the message is sent right now. When the message is received, we expect that this LED blinks to show that the message has been received and read, and when the system is to query the GPS module, we expect that this LED comes on to, it just blinks a few times, and the location can then be sent now. Just and then you could get the message here. So let's wait for it. GPS location, and that is the location. Now I can tap. The message says tap to load preview. So if I tap to load the preview, it accesses the internet and then tells me I am around for the 6 degree 31 minutes 53.4 seconds north, 3 degrees 21 minutes 49.7 seconds east. That is exactly where. So if I click further on it, it can load the map and then can put me right in the center. So this is the toll gate. So we are on Kayode Street, Onipa, Lagos, Nigeria. That's exactly where we are. So that's how the system works. Very simple. So that's basically how it works. So there's a GSM module, there's a GPS module. The GSM requires that the system requires that you send a GPS request code in text message form. So that is the format in which this is sent. When this is sent to the number, the SIM card number in the GSM module in the system, it receives it. The microcontroller receives that message, formats it, and then if it meets its requirements, or the requirement for accessing the GPS system modem, this LED blinks and then the message is sent. As simple, pretty